Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about classes and objects. Let's start our class. Classes. A class in Python is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the attributes and methods that the object created from the class will have. Objects. An object is an instance of a class. When you create an object, you are creating a specific instance of a class with its own unique data. Attributes. Instance attributes. Attributes that are specific to each object instance. They are defined using self in the class methods. Class attributes. Attributes that are shared across all instances of a class. They are defined directly within the class. Methods. Instance methods. Functions that operate on an instance of the class. They typically operate on instance attributes that are defined with self as a first parameter. Class methods. Functions that operate on the class itself. Rather than instances, they are defined with CLS as the first parameter and use the @class method decorator. Static method. Functions that do not operate on the instance or class. They are defined with no special first parameter and use the @static method decorator. Constructor. The double score init double score method is the constructor method in Python. It is automatically called when a new object is initiated, allowing you to initialize the object's attributes. Access modifiers in Python are used to control the visibility and accessibility of class attributes and methods. Unlike some other programming languages like Java or C++, Python does not have restrict modifiers like public, private, and protected. However, Python uses naming conventions to indicate the intended level of access. Types of access modifiers in Python. Public. Public attributes and methods are accessible from anywhere, inside and outside of the class. Protected. Protected attributes and methods are indicated by a single underscore before their name. By convention, these are intended to be accessible only within the class and its subclasses. Private. Private attributes and methods are indicated by a double underscore before their name. They are not accessible directly from outside the class, as they are name mangled by Python to make them harder to accidentally access or override in subclasses. Data hiding is an important concept in object oriented programming. that refers to restricting access to the internal state of an object so that its data cannot be directly modified or accessed from outside the class. This is typically achieved through the use of access modifiers such as private and protected attributes, which encapsulate the data and prevent unintended interference. In Python, data hiding is primarily implemented using private attributes and methods, which are denoted by a double underscore before their names. This triggers name mangling, making it difficult to access these attributes from outside the class. Encapsulation is one of the four fundamental principles of object-oriented programming, alongside inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. It refers to the practice of bundling the data and methods that operate on the data into a single unit called a class. Encapsulation also involves restricting access to some of the object's components, which means that the internal representation of an object is hidden from the outside world and can only be accessed or modified through well defined interfaces.